Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World on YouTube. Today we're heading into Universal Studios, Florida, because we're gonna go cast some spells at Harry Potter World. Let's go check it out. So we're here today because we want to try out Jake's Harry Potter wand, and really the reason we want to try it out so bad is because it's how many years old, guys? 4 years old. We bought it in 2018 and Jake really never got into it too much, so we haven't used it in a very long time. So we're gonna go over to the Harry Potter World and we're gonna try to cast some spells with it and see if it works. And I have heard that if your wand does not work, they will replace it for free. So let's go find out. So just to clarify, we are on the Universal side, so we're gonna get ready to head in right here. One cool thing when you first walk in here, guys, is this dragon up here. And over here on Diagon Alley, guys, this is where you can get your wands. And just take a look. Here's a couple of the samples. You wanna go? You can see through the window, it's quite busy in there. They're all stacked up. I'll give you a look inside so you guys can see what the shop looks like. So, Diagon Alley Arts Club. I know it's a bit dark, guy, but you can see all the wands stacked up. I hope you can see. Well, let me get over here. It's a little bit of light, just to kind of give you an idea of what it looks like in here. It's pretty neatly themed. And they do have a little bit of a show they do. And just so you can see, it's one of the cool props here inside the wand shop over here at Diagon Alley. Somebody cast a spell, and boy, is that really wearing out that ceiling. Really cool. Got some good light in here where I can show you guys all the cool wands you can pick. All different ones. All the different characters from Harry Potter. Very cool. And the theming is really, really neat in here. Let me just have a little walk around and try to show you guys some of the theming. All the wands just kind of stacked in, right? Just kind of thrown in there like an old shop, and you just pull them out, right? And you have a look. Interactive, and then they do have some that are non-interactive. I do suggest the interactive ones. Here's several of them so you can see the display. And then you can pick out the one you like, and one of the team members will help you find it. So that's kind of a little bit of how you can purchase a wand. We tried to film in the show, but it was so dark, really couldn't get any footage out of it. But anyway, here is the wand shop. Roberta just got some awesome information about the wand. That we were talking about how Jake's is several years old. Roberta, what did the team member in there tell you?
Yeah, they said that, like, you know, it should work, period. It should work. And if it doesn't work, it should, doesn't matter how many years. She says, if it doesn't work, just bring it back and they will replace it.
There you have it, straight from Universal. Team member inside. If your wand for some reason does not work, they will replace it for free right here at the Diagon Alley Arts Club, or you could call it the Wands Club, I guess.
They do have it different places that you can get one. On the other side also they have like a show, and they have like also a wand. So
that is good information. So it doesn't matter which side. If you're on Islands of Adventure, they also have an interactive show, a wand shop, so it will work in both areas too, Diagon Alley, and over there at Hogsmeade, you can do tricks. But let's get into some tricks, guys. I'm not seeing much action from the dragon tonight, but let's try a few tricks with this old wand, and guess what? If it doesn't work, we can just get it replaced. We do want to tell you, Jake has, which wand does Jake have?
Jake has the Harry Potter one.
So you can see he's got the Harry Potter wand right there, and it also comes with a cool map. Let's get the map out. And I think it has both.
Both sides,
Yep.
Which also has the instructions.
Here's the Hogsmeade side, Roberta.
Yeah.
And all the areas you can do the tricks.
And this is how to cast a spell.
and the diagram of how you would move the wand. So we're gonna try to do this water one right here. Somebody's doing it right now, guys.
Check it out. Go towards the left and then right.
As Roberta was saying, when you get up to where you want to catch your spell, it gives you a diagram. And then, as long as you get the right motion, it should work. I think Jake got it. Let's see. And he did. The water's coming down. Look at that. It's so cool. Jake, nice job. So his wand is working after 4 years.
Just a trick. You see there's a sensor in the wall in there?
Oh,
you
yeah.
have to point it towards the sensor with the sensor.
Really, really cool. So Jake's wand is working. 4 years old and it still works. Wow. I'm impressed. Let's go find a couple more tricks to do and show you guys. So we're gonna try here and get these lights to work. Let's see if Jake can do it. Give it a shot, Jake. This one looks like Roberta's gonna try. Oh, and it worked. Wow, this is neat. I love doing the tricks. Like I said, Jake really doesn't do a lot of it. He hasn't done it in years, but I think he's enjoying it. Just kind of showing you guys around what it looks like in here. It's really coolly themed. Harry Potter World, really, really nice, man. If you're a fan of the Harry Potter movies, you will love this place. Both sides, excellent. And rides, guys, rides on both sides. And I've been on all the rides on both sides, and they're all really good. Let's see what else. So we're trying this, and it looks like Jake's already got it working.
Wow, first try.
And this one doesn't really do much. It's just a frog with the water.
Yep.
So that one's not very impressive. Kind of boring, actually. But let's find one that's a little cooler than that. But Jake, good job with the spell. So guys, this looks like a blacksmith shop.
Where's the sensor?
Let's see if Jake can get this one.
What's that?
Where's the sensor? Did you find the sensor?
Oh yeah,
It's
there's
right there.
up there, and then the other one is
This one's
down here.
Here.
All right, you got it. Oh, Jake, nice shot, Jake. All right, that's going up. This one's cool, guys.
Should have had him use all of them.
Wow, this one just keeps going on and on. Jake has really done a good job. Jake, are you a wizard? Pretty cool, guys. Oh, by the way, that's nice. I am impressed. Jake is like doing awesome on the spells tonight, Jake. But he did say he wasn't a wizard. I asked him.
Here's the bank.
Guys, we gotta go check this bank out. This is really cool inside here. Let's mask up and go in. So guys, this is cool. This is like the Gringotts Bank, right, Roberta?
Yeah.
What's up, buddy? And there's your bank.
Take photographs.
Oh, thank you. We are definitely first class kind of passengers, so thank you very much. Oh, and guys, look at the nice props in here with the gold. So what's cool about this place here, guys, in the Gringotts Bank, is you can take actual U.S. currency and trade it in for a Gringotts note. Right, Roberta?
Yeah.
We have done it. We're not going to do it today, but we have done it. So it's really neat. And they do have some merch in here. It's pretty cool. And let's see what do they got here. Oh, they got some of these coins. So guys, this is what one of the notes would look like from the Gringotts Bank.
And this is the $20,
And so you would give them a $20 U.S. currency, and you can get a $20 bill, and you can use it all over here in just in Harry Potter World.
Everywhere on the park.
So anywhere in the Universal Orlando.
Universal Orlando or just on Harry Potter?
You can send it in California side and Universal, but it has to be in the park.
Has to be in a
so
park.
it will work in any of the Universal parks, Hollywood or Orlando, and it's really neat, guys. Look at the detail on it.
Yeah.
Pretty
other
cool.
side.
Let's check the other side. Really neat.
Thank you so
And
much.
we have done that. Thank you so much, Susan. Awesome. And we'll say bye to the banker. Bye,
Thank you.
banker.
Good night.
We'll get some funds next time. By the way, guys, last day for Shrek. Say goodbye. Bye, Shrek. That's the end. Everybody's over here taking pictures. Pretty cool. It's the end. I want to thank everybody for watching Medling World tonight, guys. I hope you enjoyed Jake's awesome spell work with his 4-year-old wand that's working like it's brand new. Boy, I tell you, I do recommend the Harry Potter wand. That thing has got some good spell magic in it. And guys, please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you could. Really helps us grow our channel. And last but not least, see ya!